Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to show another backpack from CVLIFE. This is an outdoor bag, work bag, tactical bag, whatever you want to use it for. It's a 40-liter backpack. All right, let's take a look at the inside. First of all, it has a spot for a bedroll right there. They don't have clips, just fasteners like this. All right, for your bedroll, or just a mat. Okay, on the inside, we have a mesh bag. This is for your keys. Keys, wallet, wherever you want to put it here. And the main compartment, check it out. This is for your water bladder, and right here is the entrance and exit. Right there is a little hole for your water bottle. All right, let's fill it up. Let's see what we can put in there. First, a couple of MREs. An axe. Can't forget your sunscreen for the beach. One for kids and one for grown-ups. A little stove and some gas, of course. Coffee filters. Right there. A saw. Corona saw. Of course, some ferro rods. You can never have too many ferro rods, folks. Check this out. This set was made for me by Renegade. Bird's eye maple. Right here, this is a spot for that right here. This ferro rod was made for me by Sunset Bay Barney. Right here. This is my Gatlin ferro rod. Right there. And of course, this beauty right here was made for me by Steve. Check that out. Hail to the yeah. Can't beat that. Very, very nice craftsmanship from Steve. All right. I have a nice machete right here with a ferro rod. By the way, this ferro rod has been here for years and no oxidation. This was made for me by Tom Chidwood Blade Works. Hell yeah, very sharp. Inside there, check it out. A gas adapter for those Coleman propane tanks. Of course, I have my Mad Dog Survival ceramic striker and ferro rod. Hell yeah. Ferro rods right here, folks. Check it out. Something to start a fire with. These are Sherpa sticks from Black and White fire starters. Check that out. You can put those here. Some fat wood from New Zealand, sticky icky. New Zealand fatwood, folks. I'm gonna put this one on this side right there. Some more fatwood. I don't know who sent me this handle. It's been a while, but I should turn this into a striker. And some more fatwood right here. Of course, my 73 Forge knife right there. My knife that Redneck Renegade gave me right there. And this beautiful handmade knife that a West Virginia outdoorsman made for me. Very sharp, man. This guy doesn't make any videos, but this is one of the best knives that I bought for like $80, man. You can't beat that with the sheath. This is very, very sharp. Another knife right there. Check it out. Plenty of room, folks. A strap. Hail to the year. I'll put that over here. Check it out. A skinning knife from Jerry Hagman. Haven't seen a video from him in a while. Hell yeah. Knives over here. Check it out. Check out all the goodies. Of course, my spoon set from Queen the Eskimo. Ready for the outdoors. Hell to the year. Let's find some room, folks. Look at that. Plenty of room for all your gear. Look at that. And of course, fire starting equipment for flint and steel. But this is actually ceramic strikers right here. Ceramic strikers, some flint. This is fire starting material. You light it up and it takes a flame. Some nice, I forgot the name of the guy that I bought this from a while back, but this is like a long match right there. Check it out. Check it out. Hell to the year. Light it up and boom, close it back up. Very nice design, man. I wish this guy could have made more product, man. He stopped selling this product right here. This is part of a kit. All right, fire starting materials right here. Check it out. And the black sheep from Black and White Fire Starters right here. Hell to the year. Fully packed. Of course, toothbrush and toothpaste. They can go right here. Look at that. Of course, folks, never be without some hemp or jute twine for a fire, either flint and steel or regular fire. Hell yeah. And of course, a little container to boil some water, folks. Right there. Right here, I have a bunch of stuff. I got this from, check it out. It's a little flint and steel kit. Check this out. Let me see if I can spark this motherfucker. Hell yeah. Nice flint and steel kit. I forgot the guy that I got this from. It was a while back. I think it was Mitchell Folsky. That's right, Mitchell Folsky. Inside here, I have a bunch of strikers. some fatwood, little strikers, ferro rod. Can't have too many ferro rods. And a bunch of other stuff right there. Fatwood, little striker that I made way back. Southpaw Bushcraft. I got this little pouch from Southpaw Bushcraft many years ago, folks. Ferro rods, can't have too many. A little blow stick that I made from an antenna. Check it out. Strike. Ferro rod, folks. Ferro rods. Look at that. This one's kind of, oh, check out, this one has some oxidation, but no problem. Square rod, different strikers, antler, fatwood, sherpa stick, more fatwood. This striker, I got it from, I forgot the fellow's name right now, but, Primitive Fusion. Let me strike it. I got this striker from Primitive Fusion way back. This is 012 steel. Hell yeah. Very nice striker. This one I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. And of course, folks, some shorts, just in case you end up at the beach. Hell to the yeah. Check that out. There you have it. Very nice zippers. Little clasp to keep everything together. Check it out. Hell to the yeah. And it has spots for 2 water bottles, folks. Check that out. One there and one over here. And there's plenty of room too. Check it out. Okay, it also has another compartment here for, you know, something else, but it's pretty packed right now. Always make sure that you grasp both sides of your zipper. Otherwise, if they're not straight, you'll tear up the zipper, right? A lot of molly webbing in the back, molly webbing on the sides right here. Nice padded shoulder straps. Check it out. There it is. You got your chest right here. Check it out. All right, folks, I'll leave a link to CB Life and get yourself this nice backpack for only $35. If you have Prime, you get it in next day delivery. Check it out. It's a beautiful backpack, heavy duty, well made. Okay, folks, don't forget, I'll leave a link in the description box to CB Life on Amazon.